As summer approaches, it's time to refresh your home decor with vibrant and cheerful touches. One delightful way to embrace the season is by decorating tiered trays. These versatile pieces can be transformed with creative themes that capture the essence of summer. Whether you're looking to add a splash of color to your kitchen or bring a touch of seasonal charm to your living room, these tiered tray decor ideas are perfect for the sunny months ahead. Lemonade stand vibes. Nothing says summer like a classic lemonade stand. For this look, use foul lemon slices, a miniature pitcher, and a whimsical sign like "Pucker Up, Buttercup." Add a couple of striped straws for the final touch. This setup feels like you're ready to hand out glasses of lemonade to the neighborhood kids. Essential items include foul lemons, a miniature pitcher, and a playful sign. Watermelon Wonderland. Bring a juicy twist to your tray with a watermelon theme. Use vibrant pink and green colors to evoke the summery feel. Little foul watermelon slices, some black seed beads scattered around, and a bit of greenery create a fresh, just-picked look. Beachy breezes on your tray. Create a coastal vibe with a base layer of sand-colored linen. Add seashells, starfish, and a mini lighthouse or two. A candle with a sea breeze scent on the top tier completes the look. If you don't have a mini palm tree, a touch of greenery will still add that tropical feel. Fourth of July festivities. Celebrate patriotic pride with a red, white, and blue theme. Start with a striped ribbon and miniature flags. Add an Uncle Sam hat or festive fireworks decorations for a tray that's perfect for Memorial Day, the 4th of July, or any summer day. Lakeside leisure decor. For those who love the lakeside, create a mini vacation with a lake life theme. Use a small weathered boat, a mix of shells, and worn-out fishing nets. Hints of blue and sandy tan colors complete this peaceful waterfront scene. Boho sunflower statements. Embrace boho chic style with sunflowers. Use faux sunflowers, burlap ribbon, small terracotta pots, and wooden beads. Wrap the pots with burlap, secure with hot glue, and add a sunflower to each. String wooden beads untwined to drape around the tray. Sunny citrus selections. When life gives you lemons, decorate your tray. Use small faux lemons, greenery, and a bold "Hello Summer" sign. This vibrant, zesty setup brings the sunshine indoors and adds a fresh feel to your decor. Signs of the season. Add a sprinkle of humor with wooden signs featuring quirky phrases like "Squeeze the Day" or "Hello Sunshine." These signs give a nod to the sunny outdoors and bring a smile to anyone who sees them. Ice cream social setup. Create a zero-calorie ice cream social setup with miniature ice cream cones, pastel pom-poms as scoops, striped straws, and cupcake liners. This playful touch will have friends admiring your creativity. Floral flourishes. Deck your tray with faux summer florals like tulips and daisies for a bloom-tastic look. Scatter some greenery, such as moss or foul grass, to complete the floral arrangement. Fruitful touches. Add a bunch of foul fruits like lemons, watermelon slices, or bright red strawberries. These add a juicy, fresh-picked look to your tray without attracting any critters. Miniature marbles. Tiny treasures like mini potted succulents and itty-bitty bunnies add a cute charm to your tray. Drape a bead garland for a bit of boho flair, turning your tiered tray from flat to fabulous. These creative summer tiered tray decor ideas are perfect for bringing a cheerful, seasonal touch to your home. Whether you choose a lemonade stand theme or a beachy vibe, each idea helps capture the essence of summer. So get inspired and start decorating your tiered trays to make your home feel bright and welcoming all summer long.